guys, welcome back. This is my entry for NYX Face Awards Baltics 2019. Oh my god, I'm so happy that NYX Face Awards Baltics are back. So today I'm creating Queen of Butterflies. So let's start the video. At first, what you need to do, you need to take spirit gum. Spirit gum is glue for your body. So it's body glue. I'm taking spirit gum and I will block out this eyebrow. So what you need to do, you need to take spirit gum and then apply it on your eyebrows. If you don't have a liquid for removing the spirit gum, you shouldn't put spirit gum on your eyebrows. But if you do have, then it's safe. And then I take this eyebrow brush, like this, and just brush it up. So you can apply another layer of spirit gum. You need to work quick because spirit gum dries really fast. And then I'm taking this and just make it flat. So usually I do 3 or 4 layers. So if you do more layers, then it's gonna be less visible. I will do 4 more layers, the same steps off the camera, and we will keep on working on this look. Now I'm gonna take NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lip Liner in shade Sweet Tooth. And I'm taking this lip liner to outline my lines for the 6 eyes. So now when I outlined my 4 new eyes, and I'm gonna take NYX SFX Face and Body Paint in shade Red. I will put this shade all over my body. It's gonna be my base color. It's gonna take some time to cover all this body yaddy yaddies. Don't forget about your ears. You need to always cover your ears. I mixed NYX SFX Face and Body Paint with a little bit of body oil, so it's applying much easier and better and smoother. So now I'm taking NYX SFX Face and Body Paint in shade Black. With this I'm gonna create shadowing, creating new face shape. Now I'm gonna take NYX SFX Face and Body Paint in shade White. And with this color I'm gonna create more dimension for my body. And now I'm gonna set my body paint with NYX SFX Set Loose Powder. Cream body paints you need to set because they don't set themselves. If you use cream body paints or oil body paints, you need to set them with loose powder. So now I'm dusting off all of loose powder. Now I'm gonna take light blue body paint and I'm gonna show you how I'm going to create the eye look. I'm taking this light blue body paint and putting into the crease, creating a new crease. And the same I'm gonna do for my new eyes. I'm gonna show you just these 2 eyes, and the rest of the eyes I'm gonna do off the camera. So I'm looking straight. And then I'm taking NYX SFX Face and Body Paint in shade Black. I'm gonna create the outer corner look. Now I'm taking clean brush and gonna dip it in a little bit of oil and just blend it all together. So now I'm taking a NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette called Bright and gonna use these wonderful shades to set my blue and black colors. So now I'm taking NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette called Bright and gonna use these wonderful shades to set my blue and black colors. So now I'm taking NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette called Bright and gonna use these wonderful shades to set my blue and black colors. So now I'm taking NYX SFX Face and Body Paint in shade White to create my eye white, if it makes sense. So I need to put it here. And I'm setting that with NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette Smoky and Highlights with this kind of like banana shade. Then I'm taking yellow body paint and I'll put that into my eye. Then I'm taking again NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in shade Bright and setting the yellow with yellow eyeshadow. And then I'm taking NYX That's the Point Hella Fine eyeliner and I'm gonna create this kind of like cat eye, like creature eye. I'm gonna outline the lower line. Same this eye. And then I'm taking NYX Slide On Glide On Jet Black eyeliner and this is going on my waterline. And then I'm taking a blending brush and I'm gonna take black eyeshadow from the Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, Smoky and Highlight. I'm gonna take that black eyeshadow, I'm gonna blend under the eye area so it's a little bit more smoky. And the same I'm gonna do for this eye. Then I'm taking NYX SFX Face and Body Paint in shade White and just gonna put it right here, create dimension. So that's it for my fake eye looks and now I'm gonna do all 4 other eyes off the camera and I will be back. See you a bit later. So 2 hours later, I'm so far. Oh my god, it takes me so much time. So I think 2 more hours, maybe 2.5 and I will finish the eyes. So guys, after 2 more hours, I'm almost finished with my eyes. So now I'm gonna use the NYX Professional Makeup Worth the Hype mascara. And I'm going to put my mascara on my natural eyelashes. So now when I'm almost finished with my eyes, I'm gonna put eyelashes for all of my 6 new eyes. Yes, it's gonna be fun. Eyelash number 2. Eyelash number 3 already on. Let's do eyelash number 4. It's harder than it looks because on the skin, the surface is just straight and it's so hard to put on eyelash. And now let's do last pair of lashes, 5 and 6. So here goes 5 and here goes 6. So now I'm finally finished with my eyes and I'm gonna move on my butterfly wings. I love working with paper. This is just paper. I draw this fantasy shape of wing and I painted with watercolors and yeah, and it's amazing how you can use paper like that. So all you need to do is take spirit gum, put it on back of the wing. Then you need to take a finger and tap it till it goes really sticky. 5 years later. And then just put it in the place where you want that to stay. And that's it. I always hold it for 2 minutes or something because then I know it's all dried and set. So I just finished putting my other wing on. Now I'm taking liquid latex with Q-tip and I'm gonna apply on the edge. And this will create the transition from the paper to my skin, and it's gonna look that it grows out from my forehead. Once you apply liquid latex, you need to wait till 5 or 10 minutes. When it goes clear, you are ready to go and apply another layer. Also, you can take a blow dryer, and it's gonna be quicker. So for lips, I'm gonna use NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner in shade Black. And for this, I'm gonna outline the lines. For my lips, I'm taking NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in shade Alien. I'm gonna create from black to red kind of ombre look. And inside of my lips, I'm gonna use NYX Professional Makeup Matte Lipstick in shade Perfect Red. And now when the liquid latex are dried, I will take light blue aqua color and will paint it down to create this effect that it comes into my skin. Now I'm taking NYX SFX Face and Body Paint in shade Black, and I'm gonna create these butterfly wings. So now I'm taking light aqua body paint, and I'm gonna create some dots on my butterfly wings. Oh my god, you guys, I just put on the lenses and my look is almost finished. All I need is butterfly ears and paint my arms blue. Plus, I need to color my best friend's arm also. I hope you liked my look, and thank you so much, my Amuna squad, for your support. I can't do this without you. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. And remember, be who you want to be and stay safe. AmunaDavis.